Hi everyone. Hi. Yeah, it's good. So, hi everyone. This is me at AX Trading. So, what I have learned from previous week mistake is the problem is not your strategy. The problem it's you. Like how you think of your strategy that really matters. Because as like when I backtested one time, I saw loss. So at that time, what I was thinking in my mind, like I was not properly prepared mentally to think like logically, and like I was feeling kind of sleepy, or like at that moment, I was not mentally prepared to be focused and give a logical decision over the market. But the day after, or like the next session, when I saw that past video, and I thought like when I was free and I saw that video, and I thought like what is this me trading like this? Because uh, the before thing that didn't make sense to me, like it was totally wrong. So why was it wrong? It was wrong because I was not prepared mentally to trade. So before you trade, first you have to know your mental state, and like be properly prepared mentally, and be fresh, and yeah, that will help you so much. So we're gonna go and break down this. So now I'm totally kind of fresh, so I can think everything logically and make a good decision. So in my mind, what is going in 4 hour time frame, we can see buyers are so strong. This candle print totally bullish, and so which means our daily bias is totally bullish. What is 1 hour doing? 1 hour is taking support from this area. What is this area? It's the area from where previously buyers step in till here. They can come. So when we drop down to 15-minute time frame, I don't think we have a trading opportunity right now. So when we drop down to GJ, what we can see in 4 hourly time frame, price was bearish. It consolidated, it broke above, and it bounced from the area from where buyers were interested to buy. And this candle, see, it was strong bearish, and it's like it's in the zone of retest, and it formed some type of, hi sir, yes sir, it forms some type of head and shoulders, and it is going above. So what does that mean? It means price wants to go above. So our bias is completely bullish. What we can see in 1 hour, 1 hour, it's like some sort of choppiness. We can see 15-minute also choppiness. So for now, we just leave this pair. I just trade which makes sense to me, not a random thing, random day or something. In AUD USD, I can see price is just consolidating in between this, which means we have no chance to go elsewhere for the market. In Euro USD, we can see buyers were in control, sellers, buyers, sellers, buyers, sellers are in control at this time, current time. So what we can see in 1 hour time frame is buyers are so weak. So hopefully, uh, buyers were in control, sellers, sellers. So I can see Euro USD trade that can potentially play out from this zone. Do we have any order flow at this zone? Yes, sir. We have an order flow at this area. So Euro USD is gonna be the trade for today, but I have to analyze this more better, because I will let you know later. So GBP USD also looking for sales, possibly because see this candles printed properly bearish. So to take sales from 4 hour time frame, we have to wait for this 4 hour time frame to be closed, but it's left 1.2 to 7 hours. So we just don't trade based of 4 hour. In a 1 hour, what we can see, buyers sellers are totally in control. Buyers are taking control from here. Sellers might step in from here. So when we drop down to 5 minute time frame, what is this 1 hour time frame? 1 hour here, sellers are more likely interested from this zone to sell off. So do we have any order flow in 5 minute time frame? um no, kind of no. So buyers sellers are stepping in, right? So honestly, if this 5 minute candle just closes bearish, I'll go in with the GBP USD trade, keeping my SL just here, because see, this is the proper setup. Buyers, they broke below, and buyers are here. So which means if this candle prints some rejection type, then I'm gonna be in 15 minute time frame. Which part is gonna be my break even area is just this area. When price steps is this area, I'm just keeping it BE, and this will be my full target. So yeah, Euro USD, GBP USD looks pretty good for me, and Euro USD, GBP USD and Euro USD. But hopefully GBP USD plays plays out, because I am seeing potential on it. So let's analyze it again. So what is our daily bias? What is our direction? So we just have to focus on four things before you take trades. First one is direction. Second one is level, and third one is entry, and fourth one is exit. That's all you're looking for in a trade. So what is the direction of higher time frame? Higher time frame, we simply can see sellers are in totally control. See this candle, this candle, this candle, it kind of reject from this area, support area, but still this candle has not filled the wick of this candle. And as we know, in downtrend, buyers are um, weaker from support, and sellers are very strong from resistance area. So 4 hour we can't do anything right now. So what we can see in 1 hour we can see buyers sellers. So just wait, I need to enter if any opportunity shows up. Euro USD, GBP USD chart, 15 minute, 5 minute. You are connected with an investor password, get access to team login with the main password login. Gmail. I just bought a 10K funded account, so I forgot the password. What is the password? Master key. Yes, sir. GBP USD. SL is gonna be above here. 0.5. So guys, yes, I'm selling GBP USD. So my break-even point is gonna be
I talked with some people, maybe, that if we take money to some other accounts, then it's fine. I don't have, like, I don't transaction, I don't have any transaction on my wife's account, so like 2 months, I will take my her account, and after
The money you receive is from the same company, and the money you write receive will be the same company.
tell them that
But now it's over. It's gone.
reason for sales. What are the reasons for sales? 1 hour.
yeah, Not 50, like it will be like
This is
more,
not the area where I
direct to
should break
40
even. No.
altogether, like 2 months. I think like that to come last month, I took my new works account.
So how much of 2 months? 12 lakh?
No man,
1 lakh is too much, bro. 50,000 is too much.
40,
As a black money, 50,000.
35 to 40.
Reason for sales is
It's fine, man.
possibly
Don't need to worry about it. I will take money in revolt can 2 months. Again, 2 months I will take. Otherwise, there is a
five
you
minute
like to call?
order
No.
flow
No.
steps
Man, first lecture.
entered.
I came like 8:35.
Yeah.
She's very like how can I say like very like no is
So it is, if it went above, we don't have any order flow left over upside. So we just enter if new or some new order flow pops on. At this moment, we just wait for this setup to play out, and yeah, that's the only thing we have for today. Euro USD, we don't have any opportunity, so because the market looks pretty much bearish, but still we are at the area of rejection on 4-hour time frame. The buyers are holding strong above this area, so yeah, we just have to wait for some time for this GBP USD to play out, else we are good for the day. USD JPY. USD JPY is kind of bullish, but it already went too much up. So honestly, this is not the time to trade for USD JPY. because we don't buy the tops. We buy when the retracement is finished, which was done on GBP USD. But else, rest of the pairs just looks trash for me. So USD CAD, let's check on this one last. What is this saying? Sellers are holding proper strong. Buyers went up. Buyers didn't follow through. So sellers step in. Buyers are weak. Sellers are kind of weak, but hopefully they will step in from this area. But to fill this area, hopefully. But I have a little doubt on this because as price held so properly above, buyers are coming, sellers are weak, 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 but sellers drop in hard, but still we are at the area of rejection. So this candle, it's not the A plus setup that we actually want. So at this point, we just focus on one trade that we have, which is on GBP USD, and don't care about the outcome because what is our work? Our work is just to be fucking follow our analysis, do our job, and let the market do its thing. So yeah, bro, GBP USD is the only uh, pair I have for today. So yeah, let's see how this plays out. So thank you so much. Yeah, I just trade for 10 minutes maybe, and I'm done for the day, guys. Okay, hope you all doing well. See you. Bye bye. See you on the next video, and I will. Yeah, let's do pretty much next thing. I want to teach you something like you think trading every day, like all day, makes you profitable. No, hell no, brother, because I was at the same stage as you before, when I used to look at charts from morning to night, and I thought my setup was the problem for me. But when I dig down into myself, then I realized that setup was not the problem from day one, because everybody has like a different perspective over the market, right? So some days your setup plays out, some days your setup does not plays out. So what do you think trading is? Do you think like taking more trades will make you profitable, or making good decision will make you profitable? So what I can say you from that is taking proper decision will make you profitable. You understand what I mean? You get paid by waiting. You don't get paid by standing in charts for hours and hours and hours and hours. Yes, you have to stand in chart for hours and hours while you do back testing. But when you stand into market to fight for the market, bro, you just gotta be chill, come for half an hour or an hour or something, and you just gotta mark your zones. And one thing, when you trade, you gotta trade in a specific time. Like this is my time that I trade on, which is 1:30 to 3 p.m. Maximum is 3 p.m. But honestly, if I don't get set up within 2:30 or something, I just don't trade. I just don't place a trade because I don't need to trade every day to make money, you know. That's the biggest myth that we have in trading industry. Like they need to pass all the challenges in one day. They need to trade every second. And that's the point when you're gonna be fucked up by the market. So what I suggest you guys is first have a proper strategy, like have a proper understanding, basic understanding of markets. You don't need to overcomplicate market. And the next thing is you need to find your A's, like what you understand the most. Like Some people understand supply and demand the proper way. Some people understand other thing proper way. So you should find what works for you, not what works for others. So that's the key thing. And the next thing is you gotta just focus on one time, because we are humans, we can't take logical decisions every hour. We just take logical decision once or twice. That means we just trade one or two trades a day, and that's it, bro. We just don't need anything to be profitable, not more than that. We just need this much thing to be profitable. So if this trade is take profit, hits take profit, I'm gonna be up pretty much some percentage. So yeah, I'll let the trade run to my full TP. So what will be my risk management strategy on this? It's gonna be simple. I'm just gonna be holding till this area. I'm just not gonna be cutting through FOMO or something, because yeah, that's just my plan. That's just my backtesting thing. What I have seen working out for me. So if this thing does not work for you, like holding whole trade, if that thing does not work for you, then you should find the thing that works for you, because at the end it's just you. Like some people see this as 6 from this side, they see as 9 from this side, they see as 6, which means they both are correct by their own ways. So market is just like that. So when you see some traders doing like this and being profitable, you think, yeah, this is also right. When you see next trader doing the other thing and being profitable, you also think, yeah, that's right. So you mix those things, and what happens after that? You get fucked up, man. You don't understand anything, because you don't know, like, you don't know their age, you don't know how the basics, how their basics are being printed. You don't know anything about them. So how the fuck you gonna think like their strategy is gonna work for you? So find what works for you, and see what clicks for you. So that's the only thing that I can recommend you at this moment. So I'm gonna head up to my school. I'm at my school. So yeah, have a nice day. See you tomorrow. This is the only trade I take today, and this is the only trade that I will take today, and I am totally done for the day. So see you guys. I'm not gonna be interested for here, because we got some rejection area here, a low price print, this bearish candle, but still, no, it does not looks good for me. I just got a trade which the thing that looks good for me. See, buyers, it's no, bro, just shit price action. So I just gotta avoid. The more you understand yourself, like the more you understand the state of mind you are at, the more you gonna feel like you gotta trade in a proper way. So firstly, you just will be controlled and aware of what state of mind you are at, and later profitability just follows you back. You just gotta be disciplined at your craft, and that's all. See you guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.